Let's stir up this terrific tandoori chicken in the Instant Pot today. It's so delicious and so easy to make. What you need for this is 1 whole chicken, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of tandoori masala. I'm using skinless chicken here. You can certainly use skin chicken, and optional, I'm using thyme leaves as well. You're gonna take a bowl and make your marinade. So that's all the ingredients except for the chicken. So we're gonna take our yogurt first. The yogurt adds a nice base for this marinade and applies moisture to the chicken, so you don't have to add any extra water to the Instant Pot to steam the chicken. It cooks really nicely just with this mixture. I'm only going to be adding a couple tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil because remember, chicken is going to release its own oils as well. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can certainly use fresh lemon here as well. You just want to add a little bit of a tangy flavor to the chicken. It tastes really nice. And then 3 tablespoons of tandoori masala. The brand I'm using is called Kisan. It's in my ingredient picture. You can certainly use any tandoori masala that you can find in the spices rack in any of the grocery stores, and it should be fine. Mix this really nicely because you want to make sure that the marinade forms a nice smooth paste. So keep stirring it till it all comes together, and then what you're going to do is apply it on the whole chicken. So as you can see, my chicken here has cuts in it, and I want to make sure that my marinade is on the inside as well, so it's flavorful from the outside to the inside. So I'm going to take my marinade with a brush and then apply it gently to the chicken. You want to be really generous with this, so get it all in. Make sure all sides of the chicken get the marinade. Make sure you put it on the inside as well as the back and the front. You can certainly use your hands to apply the marinade. I just find the brush is easier to apply and also equal distribution. So once your marinade is on the chicken, you can just take it, cover it with a lid, and you can keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Now, if you're short on time, you want to put it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours so the marinades work really nicely into the chicken and the flavors are all captured well. Now, I'm keeping it overnight, like I mentioned. The next morning, I'm going to take my chicken out and I'm going to add it to the Instant Pot. Make sure your trivet is at the bottom, and then just put your chicken on top. And as I mentioned earlier, you do not need any extra water in there. Now, I just added a couple thyme leaves in there because I like to add a bit of herbs just to add some nice fragrance, but that's completely optional. Put your lid on, close it, and make sure it's on the sealing position, not on venting. And then you're going to press the manual brush button to apply some pressure to this for 20 minutes. That's the perfect temperature I realized for a whole chicken. And after 5 minutes, I know I waited 7, but it should have been 5. You can just quickly go from sealing to venting to release the remaining pressure. And once the red velvet at the bottom drops down, which is at around 10 minutes, you can open the lid and you can make sure that your chicken is cooked well. So I'm gonna slowly open the lid of my Instant Pot, and wow, that chicken looks so perfect and smells so good. I'm gonna take my chicken, I'm just gonna take the drippings and add it to the chicken and broil this for about 5 minutes in the oven because I want the exterior to be more crispy, but you can certainly eat it just like that. So here I am putting it in the oven at 500, and this is how it comes out. How perfect. You can eat this with a side of potatoes, which is on my channel as well, or rice, which is also on my channel. Again, here are the ingredients for you to screenshot. Definitely give this one a try. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try this recipe out and let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for some more great and easy recipes to follow. Until then, keep stirring it up.